1. 1970 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2D. Price, $19,000, located, Pottstown, Pennsylvania. The 1970 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2D is a purpose-built American muscle car that combines legendary GTO heritage with serious drag racing performance. Finished in blue with a black interior, this custom-built machine has been transformed into a competitive race car while retaining the unmistakable styling that made the 1970 GTO one of Pontiac's most respected performance models. Power comes from a built 400 engine paired with an automatic transmission, creating a strong foundation for dependable acceleration. The vehicle features a fully tubbed rear section, full race roll cage, lightweight front clip, aluminum cylinder heads, rear spool, and a professionally prepared drivetrain designed for track use. An additional stage of nitrous oxide provides even greater performance potential when needed. The car has accumulated approximately 10,000 miles and is described as a turnkey package that is ready for the drag strip. Every major modification has been completed with performance in mind, making this GTO an excellent choice for racers or collectors seeking a unique pro street build. Its aggressive stance, proven racing equipment, and classic Pontiac styling create an unforgettable combination that attracts attention wherever it appears. Whether added to a private collection or prepared for competitive events, this 1970 Pontiac GTO delivers impressive value, outstanding performance, and timeless American muscle appeal. 2. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $20,000, located, Worcester, Ohio. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro is an iconic American muscle car that has been extensively built for outstanding performance while still offering the potential to become a street-driven classic. Finished in vibrant red with a black interior, this Camaro immediately captures attention with its aggressive appearance and unmistakable first-generation styling. Under the hood is a powerful 496-stroker engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering exceptional horsepower and rapid acceleration. The seller describes the vehicle as completely built, making it an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts looking for a high-performance classic without starting a project from scratch. The car retains its lights, windows, and recently installed exhaust system, reflecting the owner's intention to convert it into a street car. With approximately 50,000 miles, this Camaro offers a strong combination of proven performance and classic Chevrolet heritage. Its powerful drivetrain, solid construction, and timeless design make it suitable for weekend cruising, local car shows, or further customization. The 1969 Camaro remains one of the most collectible muscle cars ever produced, and this example provides an exciting opportunity to own a fast, well-built classic that delivers impressive performance while preserving the unmistakable character that enthusiasts have admired for generations. 3. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $54,500, located, 6 Mile, South Carolina. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is a beautifully upgraded American muscle car that combines classic first-generation styling with modern engineering and outstanding performance. Powered by a professionally installed LS engine conversion, this Camaro delivers impressive reliability and power while benefiting from numerous carefully selected upgrades throughout the vehicle. A new TKX 5-speed manual transmission, McLeod SuperStreet Pro Clutch, QuickTime bell housing, and Mullwood hydraulic clutch system provide an engaging driving experience with smooth shifting. The suspension has been upgraded with a complete QA1 system, while Flowmaster Super 40 mufflers and a new exhaust produce the unmistakable sound expected from a serious performance car. Additional improvements include a new air conditioning system, IDIT tilt steering column, Mighty Mouse PCV system, quick stick short throw shifter, and fuel vapor canisters. The owner states that the vehicle is mechanically solid, everything functions properly, and a complete build sheet is available for interested buyers. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the Camaro presents an aggressive yet refined appearance that perfectly complements its performance capabilities. This well-maintained classic offers an excellent balance of modern drivability and vintage muscle, making it an outstanding choice for collectors, weekend enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a dependable high-performance Camaro. 4. 1972 Chevrolet Vega Pro Street. Price, $16,500, located, Elkton, Virginia. The 1972 Chevrolet Vega Pro Street is a professionally built street and strip machine designed for enthusiasts who appreciate lightweight performance and aggressive styling. Finished in bright orange with a black interior, this Vega features a fresh 383-stroker V8 engine paired with a dependable 2-speed power-glide automatic transmission, creating an impressive combination of power and reliability. A 250-shot nitrous oxide system has been installed but has never been used, allowing the next owner the opportunity to explore its full performance potential. The drivetrain is supported by a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle, ladder bar suspension, 5.13 gears, and a full roll cage, providing excellent strength and stability during spirited driving or competitive events. The clean title, low mileage of approximately 300 miles, and excellent overall condition make this Vega an attractive turnkey package. The aggressive Pro Street stance, carefully prepared engine bay, and clean presentation further enhance its appeal. Whether displayed at local car shows, enjoyed on weekend cruises, or taken to the drag strip, the Chevrolet Vega delivers exceptional versatility. With numerous performance upgrades already completed and no significant issues reported, this 1972 Chevrolet Vega Pro Street offers remarkable value for enthusiasts seeking an exciting and distinctive American performance classic. 5. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $28,000, located, Medina, Ohio. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a rare barn find that offers an exciting opportunity for collectors and muscle car enthusiasts seeking a solid restoration project with impressive performance potential. Having remained stored since 1985, this Camaro retains much of its original character while already benefiting from several significant mechanical upgrades. Under the hood is a powerful big block engine fitted with aluminum cylinder heads and paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The rear has been mini-tubbed and upgraded with a Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring strange axles, creating a strong foundation for future performance. The vehicle includes numerous original components, including factory seats, for-speed console with gauges, clutch pedal assembly, front bumper with brackets, and an uncut dashboard, adding considerable value for restoration enthusiasts. The engine runs well, and the car is capable of moving under its own power, although the braking system will require attention before regular driving. Minor rust spots and a small repair to the driver's floor are noted, but no significant structural issues have been reported. Combining classic first-generation Camaro styling with desirable performance upgrades, this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro represents an excellent investment for anyone looking to complete a rewarding American muscle car restoration. 6. 1965 Plymouth Satellite. Price, $25,000, located, Lyndonville, New York. The 1965 Plymouth Satellite is an extraordinary altered wheelbase street and strip machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage Mopar performance at its highest level. Designed primarily for drag racing, this remarkable classic is powered by a freshly built 505 cubic inch big block Mopar wedge engine featuring billet main caps, a reinforced girdle, and a partially filled block for exceptional durability. Performance is further enhanced with CNC-ported Indy cylinder heads, an Indy intake manifold, Harlan Sharp roller rockers, a custom solid roller camshaft, and an 871 supercharger topped with dual 1050 carburetors. Running on E85 fuel and equipped with a nitrous system, the engine delivers outstanding horsepower depending on the selected boost and pulley combination. The drivetrain includes a fully prepared billet 727 automatic transmission, while the suspension features a straight front axle and 4-corner leaf springs designed to maximize traction. Finished in white with a clean title, this unique Plymouth offers a thrilling driving experience that few classic muscle cars can match. Whether displayed at racing events or preserved as part of a serious collection, this 1965 Plymouth Satellite represents an outstanding example of American drag racing history and custom engineering. 7. 1963 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2. Price, $32,500, located, Dayton, Tennessee. The 1963 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2 is a beautifully restored American classic that combines timeless styling with carefully selected modern performance upgrades. This hardtop has undergone an extensive frame-off restoration, resulting in a vehicle that is essentially rebuilt from the ground up. Power comes from a freshly rebuilt 355 cubic inch Vortec roller engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission equipped with a shift kit for dependable performance. The body features new fenders, doors, floors, wheel tubs, hood, trunk lid, and additional sheet metal, leaving the car completely rust-free. A mini-tub conversion, fully connected frame, rebuilt front and rear suspension, narrowed 8.8 rear axle with 3.73 posi gears, and four-wheel disc brakes significantly improve handling and reliability. Inside, the vehicle features a new aluminum tilt steering column, quarter-stick shifter, and functional fuel, oil pressure, and temperature gauges. Finished in red with a black interior, the Nova presents beautifully inside and out, including painted floor panels and door jambs. The engine starts easily, shifts smoothly, and delivers an enjoyable driving experience. This professionally restored 1963 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2 is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking a reliable and beautifully finished American muscle classic. 8. 1968 Opel GT Drag Car. Price, $20,000, located, Rossville, Georgia. The 1968 Opel GT drag car is a unique lightweight race machine built specifically for competitive drag racing while offering exceptional performance potential. This freshly constructed vehicle is powered by a strong 406 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a dependable Powerglide transmission, creating an ideal combination for consistent acceleration on the track. The professionally built 4-link rear suspension provides outstanding traction and stability, allowing the vehicle to launch effectively under demanding racing conditions. Designed with simplicity and performance in mind, this Opel GT delivers an impressive power-to-weight ratio that makes it an exciting alternative to more traditional drag racing platforms. The lightweight body contributes to quicker elapsed times while maintaining the distinctive appearance that has made the Opel GT a favorite among enthusiasts seeking something different. Every major component has been selected to maximize durability and race-ready performance. The seller encourages interested buyers to contact directly for additional information regarding specifications and build details. Whether used for bracket racing, weekend competition, or as a distinctive addition to a private collection, this 1968 Opel GT drag car offers an outstanding combination of lightweight engineering, proven performance, and unique character that stands apart from conventional American muscle race cars. 9. 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback drag race car. Price, $55,000, located, Nolensville, Tennessee. The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback drag race car is a professionally prepared competition machine built for serious drag racing enthusiasts seeking proven performance and reliability. Finished in striking red, this Mustang features a certified 8.50 roll cage, oversized rear racing tires, and a parachute system, making it fully equipped for high-speed competition. Power comes from an impressive 632 cubic inch big block Ford engine paired with a PTC Powerglide transmission housed in a Reed racing case, delivering exceptional acceleration and dependable performance. The engine utilizes premium trick flow cylinder heads and has been professionally maintained by Tech in Lewisburg, Tennessee. Every pass made since 2018 has been carefully documented, reflecting meticulous ownership and consistent maintenance throughout its competitive career. The vehicle weighs approximately 3,000 pounds without the driver, contributing to impressive performance while achieving elapsed times in the 8-second range at speeds approaching 157 miles per hour. A clean Michigan title accompanies the sale, providing confidence for future ownership. Following several successful seasons competing in NMRA and NMCA events, this exceptional Mustang is now available for its next owner. Combining race-proven engineering, outstanding documentation, and classic fastback styling, this 1967 Ford Mustang represents an outstanding opportunity for experienced racers and serious collectors alike. 10. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Drag Car Roller. Price, $16,500, located, Chesterfield, Virginia. The 1972 Chevrolet Nova Drag Car Roller is a professionally prepared race chassis designed for enthusiasts looking to build a competitive drag racing machine with premium components already in place. This purpose-built Nova features a Smith-Rassicraft tubular front subframe along with motor and mid-plates configured for a big block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission. The lightweight construction is complemented by a tubular transmission crossmember, fiberglass front end, fiberglass doors, carbon fiber deck lid, and factory windshield with Lexan side and rear windows. The mild steel roll cage is expected to certify to the 8.50 second class, making it an excellent platform for serious competition. Additional equipment includes a MagnaFuel 500 fuel pump and fuel cell, MSD grid ignition system, arc switch panel, Willwood disc brakes, ladder bar rear suspension, aluminum center section, 35 spline axles, and RC components beadlock wheels fitted with 275 radial tires that have only a few passes. The vehicle is offered with a title and simply requires an engine, transmission, and seat to complete the build. Combining lightweight construction with premium racing hardware, this 1972 Chevrolet Nova drag car roller offers exceptional value for racers seeking a ready-to-finish drag racing platform. 11. 1977 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $52,000, located, Mentorp, Ohio. The 1977 Chevrolet Vega is a professionally constructed drag racing machine representing a brand new build that has never made a pass down the racetrack. Originally started by Accurate Chassis Tech and completed by American Racecars, this Vega features an advanced chromoly chassis engineered for outstanding strength while maintaining an extremely lightweight design. The vehicle includes a 4-link rear suspension, strange double adjustable rear shocks, strange front struts, anti-roll bar, fabricated rear axle housing, 40-spline strange axles, and a strange 9-inch rear axle with 4.86 gears. Lightweight fiberglass doors, front clip, and deck lid combine with a steel roof and quarter panels to create an ideal balance between durability and performance. Additional equipment includes an MSD grid ignition, mega delay box, digital switch panel, autometer ultralight gauges, elite outlaw carbon fiber shifter, onboard air compressor, MagnaFuel fuel system, removable aluminum dash, custom stainless headers, and a professionally wired electrical system. The chassis is wired for nitrous and includes a parachute for competitive racing applications. Finished with exceptional attention to detail, this 1977 Chevrolet Vega offers outstanding craftsmanship, premium components, and remarkable performance potential for racers seeking a professionally built, race-ready platform. 12. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D. Price, $48,000, located, North Tonawanda, New York. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D is a classic American muscle car that combines timeless rally sports styling with a powerful high-performance drivetrain. Equipped with a strong 454 cubic inch Chevrolet engine and a dependable 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission, this Camaro delivers impressive acceleration while maintaining the unmistakable appearance that has made the first-generation Camaro one of the most desirable collector cars ever produced. Finished in an attractive gray exterior, the vehicle presents a clean and aggressive look that complements its legendary body lines. With approximately 50,000 miles, this Camaro has been carefully maintained and remains an excellent candidate for weekend cruising, local car shows, or private collections. The powerful big block engine provides the unmistakable sound and performance expected from a serious muscle car, while the automatic transmission offers dependable operation and enjoyable driving characteristics. The owner has indicated that the vehicle remains available while listed and welcomes serious buyers to make direct contact. Combining classic rally sports styling, proven Chevrolet big block power, and timeless collector appeal, this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a well-equipped American performance classic with enduring value. 13. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $23,000, located, Orwell, Ohio. The 1979 Chevrolet Malibu is a fully prepared drag racing machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate consistent performance and dependable race-ready engineering. This full chassis Malibu is equipped with a complete racing setup designed to compete immediately, making it an outstanding choice for weekend racers or experienced competitors. The vehicle holds a title and is described as ready for the track, eliminating the need for major preparation before competition. Included with the sale are brand new Mickey Thompson racing slicks and matching front runners that have never been used, providing maximum traction from the very first pass. A new 16-volt battery, charger, and 16-volt alternator are also included, ensuring reliable electrical performance under demanding racing conditions. According to the seller, the car is capable of running impressive 6.30-second elapsed times in the 1/8 mile, demonstrating the effectiveness of its professionally built chassis and drivetrain combination. Finished in blue, this Malibu combines lightweight G-body styling with serious racing capability and dependable mechanical preparation. Whether competing at local drag strips or becoming part of a dedicated racing collection, this 1979 Chevrolet Malibu offers proven performance, quality components, and exceptional value for enthusiasts seeking a competitive American drag racing classic.